Ready for this?
Hey guys, your favorite fat man. We are on 3 wheels. Not sure how this camera's going to work. Something we've never used before, but we are out today. Ran out here real quick to the Springfield Swap Meet and Car Show. There are some show cars in the field and stuff, but they're going to get ready and fire up the pulling tractor here, and we're going to take a look. We'll do our best. I'm not sure how, like I said, steady this camera will be, but we will do what we can. Here they go. Let's see what happens.
You build it? Yeah, it's solid. That's actually shielding drive shaft. How about I put this motor in a normal car? Big black Chevy.
There you go.
No, I mean all three.
Yeah, we're in the youth building right now. The road knights, the road knights have taken over. It says pretty good. They come in here, they bring all their stuff in so we can see it, and I appreciate it so much.
More stars cutting through the night, and if I vanish without a sound, you'll still feel me in the southern ground. I'm a two-lane legend, burning rubber, counting seconds. Ain't no crown, but I wear the road like a king without a home. Stories rolling, tires treading, they know my name. A two-lane legend. A two-lane legend.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Oh, pretty good. How you doing?
If I got any better, I don't know what I'd do.
Is that right? Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, actually, for me, it is.
How's your parents?
They're doing all right. I strapped them down with an extra roll of duct tape before I left.
Okay, that's awful. Shame on you.
No, we're doing good. Everything's fine.
All right, we're glad.
All right, buddy.
Car guys.
All righty.
You take care.
You too now.
We will too.
Stymie.
Oh, I don't even care about that.
This town forgot how to spell my name. Paint's peeled off and the clocks don't change. Mama used to sing by the kitchen light. Now it's just a fridge buzzing through the night. And I ain't running, but the road keeps pulling like a wound that won't dry. It just stays wide open. Yeah, I've been here where the dust still lives and the blues don't lie. stack of bills. A live track playing from the windowsill. Tried to leave, but my truck won't start. Even the engine knows I'm falling apart.
Chuck's Cartoons is cranking up the music and stuff. I'm going to try and hobble and do what I can out here, but it is starting to rain and folks are leaving. But here we go.
We stole a Chevy off a county lot. Didn't check the brakes, but it ran red hot. Johnny lit a smoke with a crooked grin. Said we ain't running, we just don't fit in. Stopped in a bar on the Georgia line. Jukebox broken, but the beer was fine. They asked our names, we just shook our heads. Cause legends don't need nothing said. We live wide, we ride hard. Out past the fences, behind the yards. The law don't chase what it can't find. We're burning miles on the shotgun side. Ain't no plan, just grip and glide. Raised by steel on the shotgun side. Slow it down. We laughed and peeled off out of town. The only church we ever knew had four wheels and a rear view. We live wide, we ride hard. Out past the fences, behind the yards. The law don't chase what it can't find. We're burning miles on the shotgun side. No map, just a road and pride. Red Clay Joe was born in a storm, in a shack where the river bends warm. Mama said he's firing dread. By 13 he'd already quit. Learned to ride on a rusted frame, kicked the dust, never played their game. Left home with a broken jaw from a preacher's son with a badge and law. They said, boy, you burn too fast, but Joe was built to outlast. He left a trail where the kudzu grows, blueprints deep where the red clay flows. No man could cage him copper sky. But Joe came back with blood on his shirt and a look that said the world still hurt. Taillight blinked and he was gone. Some say he died, some say he hides, but his ghost still rolls on Southern Rise. They said, boy, you burn too fast, but Joe was built to outlast. He left a trail where the kudzu grows, footprints deep where the red clay flows. No man could cage him, no town could hold the story of Red Clay Joe. Came down from Dalton Ridge on a Harley patched and thick with grit. Didn't talk much, just smoked and stared like a man who'd seen too much and didn't care.
Yeah, the majority of the car show guys left, but we're going to cruise around for just a little bit. We still got a few minutes of stuff where we can do stuff. We're going to cruise around for a little bit and go through the Showfield, the cars that are here in the car corral, those that are for sale, and yeah, different items and stuff that's out here. Just because it's always fun. Let's see what we can see.
He said he fought a war, then disappeared for days. Some say he lost his brother's life. Some say he ran from a preacher's wife. The man from Dalton Ridge, he rode like thunder off a broken bridge. With ghosts behind and dust ahead, he slept in alleys, he walked with the dead. Never asked for more than gas and light, then vanished with the southern night. Met him once at a quarter moon. He played slide blues on a rusty tune. Said, boy, ride hard, don't drag your past. It don't slow down and it don't come last. They found his bike near a canyon fall. Key still in and no sign at all. Just a note that read, don't try to find. I lived enough between the lines. The man from Dalton Ridge, he rode like thunder off a broken bridge. With ghosts behind and dust ahead, he slept in alleys, he walked with the dead. Never asked for more than gas guide. Leather cracked and a knuckle bleed. That's the cost of a life at speed. Tires and time, that's all I've ever left behind. I keep moving like a southern line. No goodbye, no dotted sign, just tires and time. Every girl I kissed was gone by dawn. Every fight I won, I rode alone. I don't chase what I can't catch, but I'll burn it down if it don't match. Some live for love, some live for gold. Me, I just roll till the treads go cold. My compass spins, but I still ride. There's no wrong way on the other side. Tides and time, that's all I've ever left behind. I keep moving like a southern line. No goodbye, no dotted sign, just ties and time. Used to be a carpenter, built porches, dreams, and things that didn't last. Said the best wood's like the best love, soft to start, strong when it ages. But she left with the house half built, and the dog didn't bark when she did. Now he drinks by the water, but the river don't flow no more. Just a crack in the ground and a whisper of what he built before. His brother went north, never came back. Said he found God in Detroit, but Joe thinks that means pills. Maybe that's its own kind of prayer. He drives the same road every Friday. Doesn't know why, but the turns feel like forgiveness. Fixed my flat and said people leave when you build something good. It scares them.
Hey, Big Cheese.
Think it might. Now he drinks by the Just a scar in the dirt and a silence where love kept score. I was saved in a backseat ride, whiskey breath and a rebel bride. Preacher never saw my face, but I found heaven on a highway place. It's a backseat baptism, chrome and rhythm, southern wisdom, no stained glass, no holy choir, just a rubber burning and a heart on fire. I was born again in motion, fueling faith in full devotion. ocean. Got no road, got no ring, but I wear the miles like a wedding string. Every town a sermon told, and every night a soul I sold. It's a backseat baptism, chrome and rhythm, southern wisdom, no stained glass, no holy quiet, just a rubber burning and a heart on fire. I was born again in motion, fueling faith and full devotion. Bible's close, but the wheel feels real. The gospel's in the way I feel. Forgiveness rides on the two-lane bed, with no start and show no end. It's a backseat baptism, chrome and rhythm, southern wisdom, no stained glass, no holy quiet, just rubber burning and a heart on fire. I was born again in motion, fueling faith in full devotion. He was raised where the cypress lanes, where the frogs sang low and the waters mean. Daddy left the shotgun curse, Mama worked nights and prayed it got worse. By 17 he was running shine, 2 counties deep over the county line. Learned to drive by moonlight's grace, with a glove box full of fall from faith. And beneath the cypress line, he buried sins and crossed that line, with a southern prayer and a borrowed knife, trying to make wrong look a little like right. He lost his name but kept his pride. Beneath the cypress line. Met a girl at a station stop. She said, "You look tired, but your hands don't drop." She stayed till the law came round, and vanished like smoke from the battleground. Just lights a fire and wipes it clean, but in his eyes the line still grows, where memory ends and silence knows. And beneath the cypress line, he buried sins and crossed that line, with a southern prayer and a borrowed knife, trying to make wrong look a little like right. He lost his name but kept protect his pride beneath the cypress.
There you go.
We're on TV.
There you go.
We're going to jail.
No. Oh, well, maybe. Ah! I had to throw the emergency brake on. Do you hear that? had to drag the bad leg so nobody would know. What's up?
Hey, ain't out yet.
What's that?
The cold weather.
No, we're good. Everybody's wearing jackets. I don't understand. Got to be.
You ain't been here all day.
You got to be insulated.
Yeah.
No, but I've been outside all day. The stories I could tell today.
Yes, sir.
What's cooking?
Look at that.
In the house.
In the house.
Tim?
Put us on a front page.
There you go. There you go. Scoot in like you like them a little bit. You can lie. You can lie.
Your hands out of your pocket.
They've been
There you
here
go.
for years.
Yeah.
Same spot.
Oh, love it.
Granddad fought with a wrench in hand. Mama sold beer out of rusted van. I was raised on smoke and grease, where you earn your peace so you don't get peace. They said, boy, take the safe way.
That's how you do it.
But I took curves with a
That's the way.
red clay wheels and busted lugs.
I need me that. That's what I need.
And a middle finger stuck. I was built to burn, not to break. Fuel in my veins, and lines I ain't fake. You can bear my boots or ride my name, but I'll rise again in the southern flame. I was born wild, never learned, 'cause I was built to burn. Ain't no halo riding me, just scars and gears and gasoline. When I die, don't preach no psalm, just crank the amp and play it loud. I was built to burn, not to break. Fuel in my veins, and lines I ain't fake. You can bury my boots or write my name, but I'll rise again in the southern flame. I was born wild, never learned, 'cause I was built to burn. He left Carolina in a rusted van with his daddy's name in a trembling hand. Said he'd come back when he made it right, but the letter stopped by the second night. Worked in fields, worked on rigs, chased a dollar through the backroom gigs. He kept her picture in his coat beside a matchbook with her last note. And the Carolina rain don't wash away that kind of pain. It soaks your boots and stays inside, no matter how far you try to ride. He was always running from her name, but he never outran the Carolina rain. Years passed quiet like a freight train hum. He wore regret like a loaded gun. He saw her face in every crowd, but never once turned back around. One night he stopped on Highway 9, looked back south and crossed the line. He lit a smoke, let the silence stay, and turned around that Chevrolet. But the Carolina rain still knew his face, still knew his name. It soaked his soul like it did before when he knocked on her daddy's door. Some storms don't pass, they just remain, like her eyes and the Carolina rain. Boots on pegs, wind on skin, burning rubber where the world begins. Highway hearts beat slow and wide. We don't run, we glide. We're chrome and thunder, steel that rolls and souls that wander. Got a cold, got no chain, free as a smoke in the driving rain. Raise your fist, twist that grip, this ain't a ride, it's a trip. Bugs on my jacket, dust on the frame. Every town asks me my name, but I just nod, rev it low. There's nothing I need 'em to know. Some ride for fame, some ride for pride.
Yeah, it's getting to be about that time. I'm going to get ready and head on out. I'm thinking everything's okay with Mom and Dad, so that I may go ahead and run out to run out to West Milton and do a live stream from out there. I didn't expect to do this one on video, but I thought I'd try out this camera that I've never shot with before, like this, and see how everything turns out. Hopefully good, because whatever. I was going to do a live stream from here, but just didn't work out that way. But yeah, it was good. I'm not going to come out tomorrow. If someone gets me some video and stuff of everything, the more cars that show up and whatever, I'm going to try and do some other things. I can't say that I'll be able to get out to the one at Evans. Loading and unloading that golf cart by myself is just a lot, and my spine being beat on that grass out there, even though we're on the cart and stuff. So we'll see how that all works out. But yeah, for now, we're done here. Had a good time. Hope everybody saw everything, enjoyed everything. We'll see what happens. And for now, I'm on the road. See ya.
Just me and the sound of snitching names. We're
Once or twice. Someplace. Well, thank you. I got to go head out to another one. Yep.